Today is the first day of the General Assembly. I feel very excited before I come to work today.
A lot of heads of states and civil society and representatives from NGOs and private companies, they all come together.
We're just ushering all the press, the photographers and the videographers into the Security Council room. So every country from the 15 countries allowed one photographer and one videographer.
How you doing, Carlos? Nice to meet you. I've seen you around.
Oh, so I'm here to help the radio section to film the delegates, and they're gonna come to the radio station and do interview with the people here.
I'm helping the MALU, Media Accreditation Liaison Unit today. I'm helping them to escort the press to the J Hall, Trusteeship Council, Security Council.
It went really well, and I'm really excited to be here, and I got to see how the radio is made.
This room is called the UN Foundation Digital Media Lounge, which is hosted by UN Correspondents Association. So a lot of bloggers and reporters and correspondents, they come here and write their stories.
The social media team set up a social media zone, and we also set up a Twitter wall where the tweets were live streamed to this wall. But in order to get those tweets through, we also had to monitor the tweets.
I've been searching around to make sure this place is safe from explosives.
Why is it important that Hector's here? What does Hector do?
He's trained to find explosive, 7 different types.
The police will come and they will screen all the media, all the cameras and everything to take them to the Ban Ki-moon office.
I mean, there's never really a break here. There's not kind of an allotted break because everyone's coming into the doors all the time. Press are always wanting to be escorted somewhere, sometimes where they're not supposed to go, and that's what we're here to kind of delineate between.
Well, right now these journalists are heading over to a photo opportunity at a delegates luncheon here at the United Nations. So they're getting ready to go and sit with all the head of states that will be eating, and they're going to be snapping photos for their respective countries.
Yesterday I managed to somehow within the same hour run into both the President of France and Leonardo DiCaprio.
I got to see Leonardo DiCaprio.
Leonardo DiCaprio.
Who are you more excited to see?
You know, honestly, at the moment, Leonardo DiCaprio, but in retrospect, I think it was the President of France.
I met Obama. I met a different president. For example, I met the president from Turkey.
I've bumped into a few presidents, and so it's good. And I'm Iranian, so I also saw the Iranian president.
Also the Prime Minister from Norway. She was lovely.
The highlight of the General Assembly week was to have all these world leaders, to have leaders from different industries come here and gather and discuss, talk about their actions.
You have an opportunity to be part of something that is huge, that is bigger than you.
Interns are genuinely, they love being part of this community.
It's just really cool to see something so important, so global happening right in front of your eyes.
I feel involved to the world and the global movement.
The most important thing, I think, that I'm learning a lot.
I think it's really great that the United Nations is basically an institution where so many people from different backgrounds and cultures work together.
It was just the biggest honor being able to volunteer for the General Assembly.
I had a really good time, and I think I'm gonna remember this week all my life.